You guys wanted me to come back and get it right this time, so there we are. There's the front of the Cheesecake Factory at Alderwood Mall. I am Tanis Leonhardi of Seattle, and I got us a different slice of cheesecake. I walked into the front of the restaurant this time. I got it right. All right, the Cheesecake Factory. I got a very cherry Ghiradelli chocolate cheesecake slice. This one is only 1,160 calories for one slice. Ooh, ooh la la. And I did not get a fork with my takeout bag. It's the same price as the last one. So I got the takeout bag. I didn't get a fork. So I'm using my from Wendy's. This is from Wendy's, from the biscuit, sausage gravy and biscuit. All right. Lewis Hamilton's like, this is coming from my budget, whether you want it to or not. Start with the whipped cream. It comes as part of the order. A la mode, per the online menu, is additional calories. A la mode means with ice cream. Ooh, that was good. I can taste the cherries. I can taste the chocolate. This one is closer in size to the creme brulee slice I had at the Regal Cinnabar Mountain Lake yesterday. I think there's like cherry or chocolate covered cherry. Down towards the base. Or just chocolate. No. It's both. There it is. My Lewis is relishing on being my 1-1. My Brad is past the honeymoon phase and wants 1-1 back. He's my 1-2. They both have to convince me for a challenge. It does not taste the same as the Godiva chocolate, like whatsoever. In a good way, though. Living with my Lewis and or my Brad. I could see us doing this at least once a week. That would be a satisfying way to eat the menu. From my perspective. Actually getting to eat an entire slice of everything. The pick was inspired by Brad. He wanted me to go back and get a chocolate something with chocolate in it. The money came from my Lewis, as in like budget, not for the video. The budget came from me going to a movie and had stuff left over. I think he's okay with this. Yeah, he is. I give it an 83. Thank you, Cheesecake Factory. Again, this is Tanis, she, her, hers of Seattle. Yeah.